Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Spikeball Balls is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious Spikeball player, ensuring that your games are always competitive and fun, and that you're never left scrambling for a replacement during an intense match. These balls are designed to withstand the rigors of the game, providing consistent bounce and durability, which are crucial for maintaining the flow and excitement of every rally. Investing in high-quality replacement balls means you're investing in countless hours of outdoor enjoyment with friends and family, making every game a memorable experience. Number 5. Spikeball 3-Ball Original Roundnet Game Set. Get ready for an exhilarating experience with this competitive game set. It's perfect for bringing friends and family together for some outdoor fun. You can set up and enjoy this game on any surface, from grass and sand to indoor spaces. Its versatility makes it ideal for any location. This set includes everything you need to get started: 3 balls, the game set itself, a drawstring bag for easy transport, and a rulebook. The net is designed for quick setup, and durable materials ensure it will last for countless outdoor family game sessions. Our mission is to unite people through exciting competition and fun. We aim to be the benchmark for how great sports are created. What we like. This is the classic Spikeball set, perfect for families and casual play. It comes with everything you need to get started right away. If you're looking for a fun, all-around outdoor game for kids and adults, this is a great choice. What people say. Spikeball is a backyard game on the outside, but incredibly fun and competitive when you really get down to it. The game is simple, described as something like Foursquare and Volleyball combined. This set comes with everything you need, including 3 balls, you just need one to play, and a cinch bag to carry everything in. Number 4. URBNFit Mini Exercise Ball 9-inch. Introducing the URBNFit Mini Exercise Ball, your perfect partner for a variety of fitness needs. This compact ball is designed for effective workouts and support. Never worry about your workout ball bursting or losing its shape. It's made with durable PVC material and supports up to 600 pounds, ensuring safety during rigorous exercise. The surface is coated in a non-slip glaze, ensuring you have a proper and safe grip. This is ideal for workouts, back pain relief, or soothing aches during pregnancy. Use it for exercise and beyond. Stretch before a workout, build core strength, or place it behind you while sitting for lumbar support. These balls are quick to inflate and deflate for easy use. Simply use the provided straw to inflate or remove the plug to deflate after use. Fitness goals are only good if you follow through. Our exercise balls are a surefire way to help you become a happier, healthier you. What we like. This mini exercise ball is designed for core strength and stability. Its anti-burst and anti-slip features make it safe for intense workouts. If you are focusing on physical therapy, pregnancy support, or enhancing your yoga and Pilates routine, this ball is ideal. What people say. These balls are a great replacement for the original Spikeball balls. They are durable and hold up well to repeated use. The bounce is consistent, making for a good game every time. Number 3. Spikeball Pro Kit, Tournament Edition. Introducing the Spikeball Pro Kit, the Tournament Edition designed for ultimate play. It includes an upgraded, stronger net and new balls engineered for added spin. This kit comes complete with a portable ball pump and gauge, plus a convenient backpack for easy transport. Get ready for action anywhere, anytime. Experience the thrill of this active and competitive sport, perfect for 2-on-2 play. It's ideal for campuses, beaches, gyms, and backyards. While typically played 2-on-2, this game offers endless variations. Challenge yourself with 1-on-1 or even 3-on-3 matches. Our design features rubber feet on each leg, ensuring stability and reducing slips on any surface, smooth or uneven. Don't miss out on the game that captured the attention of Shark Tank. Elevate your game with this incredible set. What we like. This is the tournament-ready Spikeball Pro Kit. It features an upgraded net and specially designed balls to add spin, giving you a competitive edge. If you're a serious player looking to up your game and play in more challenging conditions, this kit is for you. What people say. The balls are durable and hold up well to frequent play. They have a good weight and bounce, making the game enjoyable. The set includes multiple balls, which is convenient for longer games or if one gets lost. Number 2. Spikeball Replacement Balls, 2-pack. Introducing the Spikeball Replacement Balls pack. Never let a lost or popped ball interrupt your game again. This pack comes with 2 standard-sized balls, ensuring you always have a backup ready. These are ideal for replacing any lost or damaged balls. Keep your Spikeball set complete and ready for action. Looking to add to your existing collection? These balls are a great way to ensure you have plenty for extended play. Beyond the game, they serve as an excellent cross-training tool. Enhance your touch and hand-eye coordination, just like volleyball and tennis pros. Use them to practice and refine your skills. They are perfect for developing the precision needed in various sports. What we like. These are official replacement balls for your Spikeball set. They are perfect for when you lose or damage your existing balls. If you're a dedicated Spikeball player who needs spares or a volleyball tennis player looking to improve hand-eye coordination, these are a must-have. What people say. The balls are durable and hold up well to frequent use. They have a good weight and bounce, making the game enjoyable. The set includes multiple balls, which is convenient for extended play sessions. Number 1. Portable Volleyball Net System. Experience official play anywhere with this regulation-sized volleyball net. Its durable construction ensures it stays taut and in shape, game after game. Enjoy comfortable play with the included volleyball. Its soft PU cover reduces impact, so you can play longer without sore arms. Setting up the perfect game is simple. Effortlessly adjust the net to your desired height with the convenient push-button locking system. Take the fun with you. This portable set includes a carrying bag and collapses for easy transport, perfect for the backyard, beach, or indoor play. Get everything you need for an exciting match right out of the box. This all-inclusive set provides a regulation net, quality ball, adjustable poles, and a pump. What we like. This backyard volleyball set offers a professional playing experience. The regulation-sized net and soft-touch ball ensure comfort and official play. If you want to set up a high-quality volleyball game anywhere, from the backyard to the beach, this portable set is an excellent value. What people say. The balls are durable and hold up well to frequent use. They have a good weight and bounce, making the game enjoyable. The set includes multiple balls, which is convenient for longer play sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.